Let's talk about the weather or panahon today. Panahon. Panahon or weather. The Philippines only has two seasons. We have the wet season, which is tag-ulan, and the dry season or tag-init. Rain is ulan. If you want to say it is raining, we say ga-ulan. Ga-ulan. Ga-ulan ron is another way of saying it is raining right now. Ga-ulan. Sometimes when it rains, there is lightning. Lightning in Bisaya is kilat. Kilat. Lightning in Bisaya is kilat. Kilat. And thunder is dalugdog. Dalugdog. Thunder is dalugdog. Dalugdog. Typhoon in Bisaya is bagyo. Bagyo. Naay bagyo ron. There is a typhoon right now. Bagyo is typhoon in Bisaya. And oftentimes when there is bagyo, there is flooding. Flooding is gabaha. Gabaha. Flood is baha, so flooding is gabaha. During the dry season, we often complain of init kaayo. Init kaayo, which means it's very hot. Init kaayo, it's very hot. Some people may also use the word igang. Igang means warm. Igang kaayo, it means it's very warm. Igang, warm. During tag-init, you often see people wearing kalo or cap and payong or umbrella. Let's have a short recap. Raining is gaulan. Gaulan. If you want to say it's raining right now, you can say gaulan karon or gaulan ron. Baha is flood. So if you want to say it's flooding, you can say gabaha. And during the dry season, if you want to express that it's very warm, you can say igang kaayo or init kaayo. In those days, don't forget your kalo or payong. Hope you learned something new today. Hangtod sa sunod. Salamat!